This video explores electromechanical transduction, the process of converting electrical potential energy into mechanical kinetic energy, which is fundamental to how electric motors operate. The process adheres to the conservation of energy, meaning energy is only transformed, not created. Electrical energy is consumed to perform mechanical work. The conversion path involves applying voltage and current to create a magnetic flux linkage, which generates torque and rotation. To convert electricity into physical force, current must be translated into a magnetic field. This is known as the magnetic bridge. By coiling the wire, we concentrate the magnetic field, generated by the current flow, into a powerful magnetic force. The fundamental motor action is explained by the Lorentz force principle. Force is generated when a current-carrying conductor is placed in an external magnetic field. The interaction between the two magnetic fields creates a repulsive and attractive force. Rotation results from field interaction and torque. Essentially, the rotor field constantly chases the stator field due to magnetic misalignment. By switching the current, we ensure continuous misalignment and, thus, continuous rotation. Mechanical work is the product of torque and angular velocity, represented by the output curve. In most motors, these two factors have an inverse relationship, with high starting torque decreasing as speed increases. The rubber band metaphor helps visualize how magnetic flux creates physical work. Magnetic field lines act like stretched rubber bands that want to shorten. When fields interact, these bands distort and pull on the rotor, creating torque. Conversion is never 100% efficient, resulting in energy losses. Heat is the primary byproduct, originating from copper losses, iron/core losses, and friction/windage, while 75 to 95% results in useful work. Fleming's left-hand rule helps determine the direction of force, field, and current in a motor. The thumb indicates thrust or motion, the index finger points to the magnetic field direction, and the middle finger shows the electric current flow. Electrical to mechanical conversion is widely used, from transmission systems using belts and pulleys to fluid motion driven by fans and pumps, and material handling via conveyor systems. The conversion life cycle involves 4 stages: excitation, where voltage creates current; magnetization, where fields link the stator and rotor; torque, where force creates rotation; and finally, mechanical work, as the shaft rotates the load.